Hello, lettering friend. Welcome to the green episode in my rainbow style series. These are almost all of my green pens, but I had to choose between light and dark green. Let's do it. Green marks about halfway through this series, and it is looking so cool. So with my green pens, I did have to choose between the light green and the dark green, and you see that I mostly went with light green, which means technically this is not all of my green pens. This is all of my light green pens plus some dark green, and a lot of the greens are just different shades. So this one was interesting. But I do like how it turned out in the end, even though there are very different shades of green. It turned out really cool anyways. As always, I'm sharing what pens these are, and they're all linked in the description below. I cannot believe how many pens I still have, so I'm glad that I'm doing this so that I get a chance to use all of the pens that I have, even though I thought I was decluttering a lot of pens and getting rid of so many so that I could use them more frequently. Still, so many pens, more than what I can use on a regular basis. If you have been doing this in your own journal, I'd love to hear your experience. Do you feel like you have a lot of different pens, or could you not find enough different pens to fill the whole page? Let me know what your thoughts have been through this series so far. And with that, I will leave you with these real-time videos and some music. I hope this is calming and inspiring with the different styles here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.